Hello everyone, if you are using Windows 10 and it is working very slow, in this video I will share some methods you can try to increase Windows 10 performance. So without wasting your time, let's start with our first step. Right click on the taskbar, then click on Task Manager. Now here click on this Startup tab. So these are the startup applications which start automatically when you sign in your laptop or desktop. So disable all the startup applications by right click on it and select disable. So select all the startup applications one by one. After that, in Windows 10 you will get a preloaded Microsoft malicious software removal tool. So this tool will help you to remove all kind of malicious software from your system. So this is a preloaded tool. I will show you how to use this tool on Windows 10. So right click on Windows icon, then click on this run option. Now here type MRT, then press enter. Now you have to wait for 5 to 10 seconds. You will get this kind of window, Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool. Click on next, select the full scan, then click on next. So this will scan your PC completely and remove and delete all kind of malicious software from your system. You can try this method. And after that, you can also view the result of scan. Okay, click on finish. Now the final step you can try is set your PC for the best performance. So click on the Windows icon and then type view advanced system settings. Click on this option, view advanced system settings. Now click on this advanced tab in the performance section. Click on this settings option. Now here select the third option, adjust for the best performance. So this will adjust your PC for the best performance. Select this option and after that enable these 5 features. Okay, enable these 5 features. After that click on apply, then click on OK, then click on OK. Now restart your system and you will see a boost in your Windows 10 performance. This is all for the video. Thank you.